Hi there, it's Yasser Mahmood, the web guy here, and in this YouTube tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can download Twitch past broadcasts. The first thing you want to do is download this app, TDL. Make sure you've got that on your phone. Then go to Twitch. Then find the one that you want. So I'm going to go with this one. And then we click on the little, don't know what the icon is. It looks like the little toys that you had before. And you can just share at the beginning. And then copy link. And then we go make sure we go to TDL. And then we can that click download, and then we can select however long that we want it for, the time, and then it will tell us how big the file is. So that's how big the file is for 10. Sorry, there's 0, and then that's how big the file is. And then once that's done, we press that button, and then it'll depend on how long it takes. And that tells you how when it was being finished about the thing, where it's going to be stored. You can't change that there because it's automatically into your downloads folder. And we'll do that now and see that it's been downloaded. That's the next bit we're going to be doing. Then if we look on our notifications, we can see that it's done. Then we can say where do we want to play it. We'll have it on videos as a video always. That was about, well, that's longer than I thought, 10 minutes video, but it only took about a few minutes to do. Done. Yeah, that's longer than one, but you can select how long you want the file to download. You know, it will show you, as I said when you see before, how big the file is going to be for each bit and how big the whole thing is. You can decide how much of it you want to download, and that's the easy way to download Twitch videos. Perfect. So I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section below, and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you very much.